Alright y'all, this is your boy Lifeofrodcopeland back with another video. Continuation from last night. As y'all see, my hair is going back, my dye is coming back and it's leaving. So I'm finna help it. Because the big chop, man, I'm finna go and chop this stuff off so I can get back to a regular gray. I don't have no dye out here on the road. I was gonna try to keep it, but being I don't have no dye out here on the road, I'm gonna go ahead and chop it off. That way I don't have to worry about dyeing it, because it's like every week you'll have to keep dyeing it and dyeing it and dyeing it. So instead of me having to do this every week, just go ahead and do the chop now, man. It don't make sense to keep trying to stress it. You know what I'm saying? So I'll come back to y'all after I chop and clean up my bald head, man. Back to the baldest skull there, bro. See y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, I'm back. Just showing y'all fresh cut. Beard is gone. Back to the old gray. Don't have to worry about dyeing it. Just cutting my hair every day. Ah, man, if I'd known there was a Walmart right there, I would have went there. I know it's kind of dark out here, man, my bad. But anyway, just giving y'all an update, man. Got the fresh bald head, fresh cut beard. Probably gonna grow a full goatee out again later. Probably won't cut it again. Get my big beard back. I just didn't want it with the dye in it. So being that I didn't want it with the dye in it, I just went ahead and cut it all off. So it'll grow even. So, but yeah, if y'all new to the channel, like, comment, and subscribe. I see y'all watching the videos. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. I just want y'all to comment, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. I appreciate it. Y'all have a good night. What it is, YouTube? It's your boy. I'm back with another video. About to get my day started. Getting some fuel. Getting some fuel on one side. One of the pumps don't work, as y'all can see. One of the pumps don't work. So I got one going in. Probably get another, probably 100, try to get 100 gallons of fuel. Get 100 gallons of fuel and then go, probably drive good 4 hours, 5 hours. Yeah, about 5 hours. Probably drive about 5 hours and then fuel up some more. So just giving y'all a little up to date on my day. Y'all see, I really just woke up for real. But my chain still tight. My pin still in. I don't know why, but it keeps sliding out. I don't know. But that's what's going on, man. Just again, if y'all new to the channel, y'all watching the videos, just give me a like, comment, and a sub. Give me a sub. Appreciate it very much. Give me a sub. I don't know what new people got on this thing. It's flying everywhere. I don't know what he quit. He forgot something. But it's flying everywhere. Hopefully it don't smell like gas, but yeah. I'll get it with y'all in few seconds. Good morning, YouTube. This is your boy Life of Copeland back with another video. Here to make my delivery at the Army base. Getting started. Waiting on I'm actually got all my chains and stuff off. I'm just waiting on them to come pull the machine off, really. But I'll just let y'all know, here goes some Army tanks. As y'all can see, Army tanks, Hummers, different type of things. But just getting y'all, I'm finna get y'all set up while I'm unloading, so y'all can see what I'm doing also. But if y'all new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna keep dropping these videos. Keep dropping videos no matter what. No matter what, no matter how. You gotta do it. I do it for fun. What's going on, bro?